Hi, this is Ajay Jangid in this video and you are watching Jogi and You. Friend, today's problem is related to arithmetic progression. This question is from NCERT and it has been asked in CBSE Delhi 2014. And in this question, you have to find the 63rd term of an AP. So you will find this question very interesting. So watch this video till the end. So for solving this, let's aside all the things and the language of the question is, if the 7th term of an AP is 1 by 9 and its 9th term is 1 upon 7, then find its 63rd term. So here neither we have AP or first term or common difference, so how to solve it? Firstly, let's write all the given things. Given things are 7th term is 1 by 9, 7th term means A7 and 9th term is 1 by 7. And you know very well, what is the formula of nth term? Call it nth term, 7th term or 9th term, the formula is same. So we are applying formula for the 7th term and that formula is A plus 7 minus 1 D. And the standard form of this formula is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. And what will be the formula for 9th term? The formula is same, which is A plus 9 minus 1 D. Now, in the first equation, we have 7 minus 1. So after calculating, we have 6D. So this is our equation number 1. And do the same for the second equation. This 9 minus 1 will be 8D. And this is the equation number 2. Before doing anything, let me tell you about Unacademy's Ask a Doubt feature, which is for class 6 to 12th of CBSE board. And it's absolutely free. For this, just open Unacademy app. And after that, you can ask unlimited doubts here and then you get high quality videos in Hindi and English. For doing that, just click here, then set your goal here. I have already did it. You can change it later also by clicking on change at the bottom side. That is manage goals. Click here and search CBSE. All classes will be in the front of you. Suppose I choose class 9th, language I choose English, and then you can clear your doubts by clicking on start learning. So keep scrolling down until you find Ask Doubt. So choose second one from both these options, your doubts. So after clicking on this, we have this interface. I have checked some solutions, so it's showing that first time it will be like this. Here we have two options. Take a picture and choose from gallery. We will choose take a picture and take a question from 10th maths and see what solution we get. Question 4 from the exercise 6.5 and click the photo of it. Just rotate this and crop only question number 4. Then upload and select mathematics. Now we have our solution in front of us. So we opened it and now see what we have. Let's forward it. It's a part of solution. Let's get back. So did you see the solution we got in the great resolution? So it will ask you the review before next doubt. Did you like it or not? And after clicking on like button, we will have the option for next question. Now you can ask anything you want to. Whenever it asks you about the unlock code, your unlock code will be JANDY10. It will help you to get the access to free and 10% discount on paid or any iconic subscription courses. So let's get back to the original question. Now, these A7 and A9 doesn't matter. Our equation is this. First equation and second equation. So, we have a pair of linear equation in two variables A and D. So we will solve it with elimination method and we will cancel a variable. So first of all, what will we do? So we will subtract equation number 1 with equation 2. So it's clear this A and minus A will cancel and 8D minus 6D, that means 2D is equal to 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 9. What we get after taking LCM in right side? We get 9 minus 7 upon 63. And then after calculating, we have 2 upon 63 in the right side. Transfer this 2 to the right side and then 2 to 2 will be cancelled. And then we have D is equals to 1 upon 63. Now we have the value of D with the help of first and the second equation. And then replace D in any equation so you will get the value of A. So I choose equation number 1 for replacing the value of D. Here, A plus 6D is equal to 1 upon 9. Replace 1 upon 63 on the place of D. And then after transferring, we have A is equal to 1 upon 9 minus 6 upon 63. Just take LCM and we have 7 minus 6 upon 63. And then we have the value of A equals to 1 upon 63. Take this value of A aside here. Now we have first A and common difference D. And according to the question, we have to find the value of 63rd term. So the value of n is definitely equals to 63 because it's nth term. That means 63rd term. So you know what is the formula of nth term? The formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So we have all values available here, d, a and n. So firstly we will replace n with 63. And now we will replace both the d and a with 1 upon 63. And we have the values of this equation just like this. Solve the bracket, 63 minus 1 which means 62. And after taking LCM, we have 1 plus 62 over 63. And then we have 63 over 63. Both cancels and then we have the value of A63, that means 63rd term is equal to 1. So you know how simple it is? So if any of you who wants to write down the whole process can write down by pausing the video. So guys, as you know, we have one more channel named Numerica Maths, in which we upload the mathematic videos for class 8, 9th and 10th of the courses of CBSE board. So if you found this useful, the link is in the description. So my dear friends, if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel definitely and press the bell icon for never miss any videos from us. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.